Hello, my name is Bianca and I'm from Spain. I did a young leader course at Wimbledon School of English. It was not my first time doing online classes due to the quarantine. My school started doing online classes as well, but it was totally different of what I did the past few weeks on this workshop. I said totally different because my experience on this course was awesome. The classes were very dynamic, more than expected. We used an application called Zoom that had the option to do breakout rooms. So that was very useful for me personally because I could know better my classmates and I get more confident speaking with them. My special skill workshop was debate, presentation, and public speaking. The teachers were very professional and very enthusiastic of what they were doing, so the classes were really interesting. During the first week, I was with Mark, and we did an activity very funny that was create a product and then promote it by doing an advert. I did this with one other classmate, so that was very useful. Also, the second week, I did a presentation with Shiran, another teacher, and this helped me a lot to be more confident when I have to speak in public. I met many people from different countries such as Italy, Romania, and Russia. We were all the same ages, so we got on really well. I totally recommend this experience because you learned the basic things you have to know to affront some situations in your daily life in a different way because the classes are much better than what I did at school and what I had experience of, and and in my point of view is really interesting. You learned a lot, and this helped me a lot nowadays because I feel more confident when I have to speak in public.